twaika Punishment Island
ata Island wanobuza
bahoti bakaba bakora
bakaba leta kademo kamara kugirenda bakateka na Punishment Island
bakasigaho
abo wabo bakasigaho atkaho bahota bamwe bakakira. There is one woman who survived Punishment Island. So abasija bakabija baregedi ato kujaba bapikinga babatwara basa batayiza mushamba
babataza
that time baye bana obabenu bakora Punishment Island bakweka bademu dawari skasi chamani bakweka
so jine bakweta Punishment Island
zone mizime zirazi
yeji netwara baho
wild ducks
yeji Punishment Island. Yeah, it has wild ducks. Ezo zirya higuru omukiti. These are wild ducks. Kandi jini bakweta Punishment Island aleki Bunyonyi. Thank you guys.
Ngati nashane mizimu yibaswe yibasibagaya kwa.
Tutwara. Watwara nubakutaho punishment. Yo. Aya, so ni vyepi? Ni vyepi ya Punishment Island?
Which means enju eyera, nju eyera. If you know how the Bachiga of this side speak. So it is also known as White Cottage. It is the home of Dr. Leonard Sharp. Dr. Leonard Sharp used to live here while he was leading the team at Bwama Health Center, which was fighting leprosy. He was also the head of Kabale Hospital. That is in 1920s.
Oh.
So the other day we were discussing on the group, and people were saying this was the first permanent house in the whole of Western Uganda. Also, Dr. Sharp was the person who brought the first vehicle in the whole of Western Uganda. We are going to see these pictures here. Also, this is the place where the plane landed first in Uganda. So it is the first airport in Uganda. A plane landed, the floating planes landed here on Lake Bunyonyi, and it was bringing building materials for building this house. So you can imagine that is in 1920. Dr. Leonard Sharp built a boat which was bigger than this one. It was a house boat. He built it here in 1920. Up to today, we are in 2024. You can see the people in Bunyonyi. They are fighting still, even to make a tree dugout canoe is a big problem. So what happened to us Africans? Is it that we are poor in our thinking? Is it that we are not innovative? Is it that we are not... Please explanation.
Ni kureba okwense jeri green, the niche is nice. I'll be showing you everything. Be letting you know. I'll be trying to let you know in and out Lake Bunyonyi. Just we gotta do boat cruise. I think we shall do boat cruise. Here, my guys, we are together. I told you I'm called Beyazin DJ Cerebral Wambara. I work with Vega Radio, Vega TV, and I'm the spokesperson Western Uganda Bloggers Association. I will let you know in and out Lake Bunyonyi, Jahamuri Chigezi, Kabale, and of course, this is one of the reasons why Kabale is Switzerland of Africa. Not only Uganda actually, but Switzerland of Africa. Tuza kubatambuza, tutambure muhamwe, tushemererwe muhamwe, ibyinje bindaza kubereka. Ecyo ne kora guma utaruga. My guys, bakubereka ubwishye burunje butwija nabwe. Obwija kurambuza. And this is all done, prepared, organized by Shemererwa Festival Initiative. Yeah, Shemererwa Initiative. Just wait here. Ntuza no ganiraho na bamwe our organizers of this thing. They will let us know more and details. I love you guys. Mukama nako. Yes. Are you good?
Thank you.
How are you? Yes, Shemererwa Initiative.
We are representing Good Friday.
I
All
see
about
you.
happiness, Shemererwa. Here the man them Ronnie.
The man them Ronnie.
Only parting.
So inegwari.
What about the man named Mark Teko? Representing Ronnie.
Everything cool. Aya.
Yeah, place an energy Safari Lobby by a man presenting Shemererwa first.
Man them. Look it. Look it.
About drones, I want to understand we have two boats. Guys, let us take this like a brief. Whatever you have, cameras, gadgets, drones, and create as much content as possible, both for yourself but also for Shemererwa team. So we shall request, sometimes if the content is too much and you can't put it on the group, you can send to us personally, or later we shall put it on a laptop at the end of the day. So try to record yourself, do skits, basically, and make sure all content is in relation to tourism and in relation to the team building activities for Shemererwa. So from here, we are going to do a boat tour. We shall visit, we shall see different islands on the way, but we shall only stop at about 2 or 3 places. Our first stop will be at Bugama Health Center, yes, and then our next stop will be at Njuera, and then Mujera. Yes. So let us try to
Kono ya bari kubuza.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh yes,
You know how to read?
Yes. Twasimbura. Kare twasimbura.
You guys don't be shy.
Shemererwa. So we are going to start our journey and we move around. Idini bajita Shemererwa.
Yeah, man.
Wota shemerigwe bazimatinda chenge vyo raboje.
This is the right time.
Yeah.
We are abantu bona cyo abashemererwa. We are good to go.
Twabachira.
Blessed and I never die.
Man, we are ready to go.
Katambuza kamera paka kumuzadde.
Ibapate mwatina bahoti mwana mutabashayi.
Bahoti kumwasitamire mwenga. Guys. Wey! Mugenzi! Kari! So we are the next festival.
Amos!
Oh! Wewe ni bajuzwara basyo. Hey. Soko tukube. Kube. Tere moru China ni wabire.
Mr. Lova, ni hao.
Ni hao.
Bombastic, yeah. Talk about yourself, brother.
Yes. Jason plus Mine alongside Shina and Pamela. All ready to go. Happy Easter holiday.
Chiwedi. Zedi Jepe Azil Serebu Wambara presenting Vega Radio, Vega TV here to my guys.
Yeah, Vega Radio represent Shemene Rock within it.
Both engineer.
But gangi.
What gangi? Take a out. One of it is the same.
Are you ready? Are you ready, artist Aisha Kun?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm telling you,
Yeah, man.
Are you ready?
Sembrente.
1, 2, let's go, Junior.
Oh.
Hey, let's go. 1, 2, let's go.
Whoa.
Shemene Vanisi, let's go. Easter holiday.
Oh. Hey. Kumana ya twine sendi chabecho kwenda dambe. Yeah, we Nikogo kuri best. Aya bas.
Bayana ze katesti.
Sema akora
Twinente. Chukube. Bachondoze. But why? Nimwenda kora saya hita ndubani. Tuja.
Let's go.
I'm here with the mom, is our member, and many others. I just want to see right now. We have made this regarding that we just said. Again, I'm going. Anaconda.
na kushanga hashemerera na kaka kabina wangamiro tiboy ninyenda samwine na samjigijigi muna kugambira tuwatumiwe waeshira tuwatumiwe waeshira ninza kukwana tindaze mukwemora echori ndite pangomia kabachiri nyewendi sharp boy nchokureba nitegura yare kome
gwe kuyumba turyo mukapera de yanayeshongore rogo
yari kweshongora hose abeshongozi mutulira abakazi
ira kapichi ngambira noyenda kakwinkoba nkweyo digi nkarobera hafiga yawe Joani obo nkureba mupatoko wa Jonani tindafutinire kakubera na open bareke my bebo tabarabura ngo mzicho gunde sireni za kubanyafura bebe wanye na bench nobereshera niyo wanye na bench noshikesera iza mtwaro wanye kombeka yakasisira no mugeto tinyine ho kunabira niba tushana bara nyawande mawende warabane abo ikibari genda no byayi mara kwetega
Yamire itomuturekere nitumubasa abayakuremire itomuturekere nitumubasa akakugira ngo rugeha boto wayanga yakugira ngo rugeha abanyane batine waka
yayanga
rugeha masada
wayanga
itomuturekere nitumubasa
nitumubasa
ingoma zimatunda demu mbuto ine nazo oli kukwana Babylon
Look it. And of course we are heading to Punishment Island. So turumuntu za Punishment Island tugare kibunyonyi kabare antai turumuntu zane baheta Punishment Island. Jeturaga tudia, and of course abamwe bazaha. Do we have another boat cruise turumuntu za Punishment Island? Waura so Punishment Island bakaba korera yuki
bara funenda no
ababe batwarira amahega
abahara bahire baratwara bacari bato akabara batwara Punishment Island bakurekeyo bona bakaba bataraferayo abashija bumwe babazagayo mwe bazo babatware atwara kuyewa
so no turi kuza ato abatine zo kujuga baza Punishment Island
bamwiyeyo bamutware mu byare bindi bamutase
kastora bawaho na kufa. So this is Lake Bunyonyi, the deepest lake in Uganda, and of course second deepest in East Africa, following Lake Tanganyika. And like I told you, obutuaza kusimbura, this is one of the factors why Kabale is called the sweetest land of Africa. Kabale is always very cold, very in the morning. At least right now we are having small sunshine. Konka Nikoko. So katujende tweka. I'll be letting you know more. Banywani banje abari kureba hano ya TikTok abakora Serebu Wambarara. Nyenda kubereka echafa yo kimwe kiryo muri Kabale tutakamanyaganye ari Kibunyonyi. Ahindi nyine nabayeta Punishment Island. Punishment Island egyare Kibunyonyi. So noreba haruwebe bikokwibi ebi hatira omwishiku yabira twara enda takashwirwa bamureta ha bamusigaho bagenda abindi bakaferaho akabona kaho abantu bace okuyaho abahonokera akayija nkomushija ubundi atine zo kujuga ayija nuya nawe amwiyo avuga katoke yayija hamutwara mutasi for free niye Punishment Island yo kureba neshangware Kibunyonyi omuri Kabale district. Yes nyo ndo kubereka Beazini ZDJ
show time tiwe shemerego konkoli munywani wa shemeregwa yo orifiti Beazini ZDJ Serebu Wambarara ahampa hituli baraheta mugera nikayemwa aha mugera honyine so niyo bareta mugera
harakorerwa
abanyambara kwena tujya barambuzi nanya abanyambara abanyambara niyo rabagambira ngo kutwire kurambuza yataramanye.
Anyway, guys, we shall ask for the people like I promised you, we are going to tour around in and around Lake.
Let us
Yeah.
have a small briefing here. Small briefing. Which means Enju Eyera, Nju Eyera.
Njuyera.
If you know how the Wachiga of this side speak. So it is also known as White Cottage. It is the home of Dr. Leonard Sharp. Dr. Leonard Sharp used to live here while he was leading the team at Bwama Health Center, which was fighting leprosy. He was also the head of Kabale Hospital. That is in 1920s.
Oh.
So the other day we were discussing on the group, and people were saying this was the first permanent house in the whole of Western Uganda. Also, Dr. Sharp was the person who brought the first vehicle in the whole of Western Uganda. We are going to see these pictures here. Also, this is the place where the plane landed first in Uganda. So it is the first airport in Uganda. A plane landed, the floating planes landed here on Lake Bunyonyi, and it was bringing building materials for building this house. So you can imagine that is in 1920. Dr. Leonard Sharp built a boat which was bigger than this one. It was a house boat. He built it here in 1920. Up to today, we are in 2024. You can see the people in Bunyonyi. They are fighting still, even to make a tree dugout canoe is a big problem. So what happened to us Africans? Is it that we are poor in our thinking? Is it that we are not innovative? Is it that we are not hardworking? Because why should people in 2024 still be fighting because they don't have a boat to take them to primary school? When Dr. Leonard Sharp, who was a doctor, not even an engineer, built a boat which was bigger than this one here, using local materials. So for me, when we are doing this, is a way of encouraging people to be. Please do not just go anywhere. We are not allowed to just go anywhere, because there are also people who are living here in these cottages. They are the most beautiful places. And this place, you will realize all the things here are built using local materials. You'll see even the cottages, some of them are not cemented. They are using cow dung and what? This chibugwe, red earth, soil. So if this Bazungu can make such technology, can make such houses which last from then up to now, then why are we still fighting for the cost of a bag of cement? Why are we fighting for tiled houses and what? Yet we can use the local available materials and make a very beautiful thing. So let us learn, let us enjoy together. Yeah, and from here we are going to Mujera, where our friend here Timo will be hosting us. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Njuyera. Ibyo nabyo waruho ruragamba ni hanu nyo nimbese zabanza bagenda nahiza ngaruka mbikwataje ngo birebe Njuyera. This is Njuyera. Wachireba
Beyazini zedi jensere
iyo nyo nimbese zabagenda nahiza ngaruka mbikwataje ngo mbi habantu. So I'm going up there to give you details. What's up guys? Thank you guys for watching. Hano ya hindi era still ngyareleke Bunyonyi kandi ekine cyafaye kinde cyo takumanya. Hano ya hinyemerire jeshano baheta Anjuyera. Njuyera netigambo cyo rukiga abari side ya kuno bakugamba basyo konka netimanyisa nti Anjuyera kwera hano ya no mukiga wukubazungu wukubanza kwija Uganda. Yabandeze kombe kenju ya permanent kandi arikosa local materials. Of course ibintu byona niho biri ari mu cottages. Son niwe mzungu nani nitatema munda natuteme uchuka bya hansi.
Today, if you plant a tree, you are going to be assured of the shade at your house many years later. But if you don't plant it, then nobody is going to produce a shade for you. These trees are not magic. You have to plant them. As part of our SDG campaigns, you know, climate change and environmental conservation is another topic which we like to promote. Although this year we are concentrating on early child dropout, but environmental conservation. And this picture here shows you the true direction. You see in the 1920s, it's bare ground. In the 1930s, some trees have come out. And in the 1950s, people are chilling on the what? On a shed. So guys, when you go back home, just plant a tree. Okay? And you start counting the years. Yes? This tree house has been remodeled and changed many times. But some of the walls are the original walls and the original structures. It was changed because it's more like a museum now.
Oh, yeah.
Learning center, and it's under the Church of Uganda, administration of here and Drama and Bushara are all under the Church of Uganda, and we are going to see from the history here.
So I'm just showing you the first permanent house in Uganda.
So guys, you can have a seat. You take a seat. Then we address one direction.
So this is the first permanent house. Hati ahinkugambira ndya ahari Bunyonyi, right? Eji ni permanent house yokubanza, enju yokubanza ya permanent omu Uganda. Kandi wagitireho ni omuntu okubanza kurandindisa enyonyi omuri Uganda. Wakireba? So nabajanti imwe tumwine Mbara Beyazin, spokesperson Western Bloggers Association. Eji enju so finally katutahe murebe. Akajombeka rukumo rwenda abiri. Kandi kiruhwa. Yes, it had been renovated konke byingi nko kuba bitireho nikwe bikiri na munonge bishenje. Watereba, let me go inside and show you guys. Harimo bakushoma konka nyoni nkuza mu ndikibanda. I want to give you. Oh.
Most parts of Africa, development was brought by well-wishers. Yeah? And that's why I always tell you, for us as Shemerefa, we are coming as well-wishers to promote development. Yeah? It's not a government project, and nothing should be a government project. You as a person, as a individual,
So, Monka, abantu nimbereka enju y'okubanza ya permanent omu Uganda kandi niho nyonyi y'okubanza yarandinje amweta Watson owajutireho batujang ni Watson so nibyebyo reka nje mbereke ibindi abantu banje ndwa nabaja ninkubereka buri kimwe n'ibintu byingi binkwenda kubereka nabaja nteje ni first permanent house omu Uganda naje ni Watson nanye ndakureba nimukimanye but omuntu waje ombekireho the first muzungu it was a white candidate majeta white cottage sharp cottages nju yera omurukiga nju yera niko bakujeta aza waditero no bamweta Leonard Sharp na nabagizire ngo ninga mbere nabagizire ngo ejenju niyo yokubanza ya permanent ekindi no hantu ho kubanza kure kwije nyonyi ekagwa mu Uganda ekagwa hareke bunyonya ejo bimukureba bya blue white na mizi munda na nashanjire mabakushomanya na nintamu nkakibanda tibakunze birakuzama ninzamu by force so iwe guma mutaguma kuruga mbahe bikutiraho let me go inside. I say this is nice, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice guys.
We were returning from the medical itinerary, so we had our stay no safaris from Kamale and traveled as far as they left by car. When we met the rest of our party, including the medical orderlies and what. Okay, let us look at the history. Now, this is the most important part. For Amos, for my Rasta friends, for the people who are interested in Nyabingi history. This is important. Njuyera Sharp Island, Lake Bunyonyi. Some local chiefs with links to the powerful Nyabingi sect mounted raids along the shores of the lake. The Nyabingi practitioners performed their ceremonies on the islands of Bwama, Bushara, and Njuyera. Then they were known as Havakara. So even the name changed. The three islands were called Havakara. And they were, as you see, they were areas of Nyabingi practitioners, and that they were like their homes. So when the drums sounded, canoes would cover it. When the drums sounded, canoes would converge on the islands, bringing gifts of goats, sheep, girls, and beer. The police fought back, and the leader of the rebellion retreated to Gama Island, commanding all the canoes on the lake. The police were helpless until another boat was found on Lake Shahafi near the Rwanda border, that is in Kisoro, and it was carried by a team of over 100 porters over the ranges of 2 high hills and through thick bamboo forest to reach Bunyonyi. The police launched the boat and paddled towards Bwama. Seeing themselves outgunned by the leaders of the rebellion, they fled and the 3 islands were left deserted, with only a few scraggly trees remaining as a reminder of the rituals performed beneath their branches. So, who chased the people from the Nyabingi Islands? It was the police. How did they reach there? They even had to go to Chisoro. They got all the people who had leprosy with their families. Because if you are with people, it means you have already infected them. You see how sharp this guy was. They bring them with their families, they sit there where you can give this daily injection. And after some
Alright, so abakunde baninye Beazini Serebu ambarara kandi nko kuturi hano Bunyonyi mu Switzerland of Africa Kabari none afunira king ba initiators ninga shabantu abatukundise music y'orukiga ya Kigezi T-bro orije
as a thing in a show. You to actually full.
Yeah.
T-bro start chai grom chiga in a man representing for Vega TV and radio. Can most of the times need to transfer messages mnonga kule mtu featuring alizo TV.
So
Chiga very representing Mr. Wewe na kutoa na kutuuza abaza kakunda
kankubuza
yeah
nyoni wambara niyo kutura kazaru rwantunga
mwina mate mwina sente binenewe
koke chikubuza ndi mumani nde bakakona kanje
ati nyondi ndimo bushera abajiketa
na keta
na turi mu shemero wa festivals mweno turi presenting twabigisire bwitana Kigafure mwe twabigitana Vega Radio mwe twavugana hamwe
twayegita
ndandana nankajwire karabe nyegambe ontakarabize mukana ari bwe twabona
mwe twavugana kabasore ngati gonkashi nyoma hadizi wa Tibro edishana nenda kura kesho ngoyoke yakasi
akesho ngoganya kasati wambona turafune namba zanye kajikutere ate bakagenda badana kuteka copyright terms and what kandi abana kutubashare jiraga music yitu bamutera direct bamuteka page zabo so nyo muntu arenda music wanje ora tura contactingana ongambire for reasons of what and what ndaka kushare nyine
sawa wewe ni Mungu kama ya tabu ati utakumanye chini bachete mbundu bakaba bari kujeta kanuni wajisetindiraho regeraho tera rukuri wachereve tintecho ngazona ninkuze bahereza katutiryaha awa Leonard the first muzungu to build a permanent house, first muzungu to bring here an aeroplane. Ejo aeroplane kuyachere kune nyonyi ayagwire teragaruchere yaremera ebyasigireho yabikoramu eryato watire ngogo omunakisha kabare yatumanyiriro witugayi ati bakanoja bakabatakutera baciga forever aging with you matera kwa chandi cheuka pura bebe story nyabure birijo tabitina urikari omukono ngukota kwa yajutera yo ubuzima jikumenge bendera rugayoko mu fantasy yira kuno mu reality semerera sino jirambira tashasha 1 2 let's go let it be forever letting you know my dream together let it be forever wano buramu butusemu.
We are going to have a community engagement with the people around here. We talk to them, we see their ways of life, how they live, their troubles, and maybe we can get some solution anywhere. Like you have solutions for some problems that we are having here. Some of you can be like environmental activists, you can be educationists, you can be whatever. So you scan around, engage with the locals, and then we shall go for a snack, our lunch snack. It is going to be there, just near here. Then after our lunch snack, we shall go back to Camp Entare.
Okay. Mujera. This is Mujera.
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 Mujera Council.
Mujera Town Council. Timu ino gwari.
Timu ino gwari.
Kare. Rekanyo zetu gani? Bazo joti ya. Okay.
Bezin.
Yo.
Buza mogu chari. Buza mogu chari nyanangu amaromburize mogu chari.
Riza kuisha tubabuze. Yes, of course. Come you to Mujera. Atutiri areke munyonyi ngoko nabagambira kandi
omwana wa
Kabare kandi umutega hine vibe biza influencer tu kugunina
yenda kubuze kibozo mbana bambara no tekateka mu mwana chari or talented mno
abana bindi bari talented sure
ngano tekateka ngo mbana bambara twakwata microphone omwana uri kubasa kundabisano hapo
oje kwizo made in Mbarara kwereze ho bana asante ba tubanze mwetwari
Abantu bagambire muzi barambonana mbada na ndemba ifane kama
Gambia no mu mazina ba Makiti dancers.
Big up my boys Makiti dancers na Murango. Roni Panisha my boy.
Oh, Roni Panisha my boy. That is my boy. My son actually.
Yeah man, it's all
Namugandi.
Ati banywani banje ndikabari. Ndikabari street.
Street away kabari.
Arire kibunyonyi. Nyanja ya bunyonyi.
Leki bunyonyi.
Izi bunyonyi.
Leki bunyonyi.
Leki munyonyi leki bunyonyi.
Leki bunyonyi.
Okay. Ati leki bunyonyi. Ati ubuzano bakweto.
Banyita Maskobeka.
Maskobeka. Niwe twina. Ejeje town council waje ni bajeta.
Buhutu town council.
Buhutu mujera.
Mujera Buhutu town council.
Ati nkatuje ngo anonda kuramusya nko mujungu. No muramusi wote.
Njanti what is good morning?
What is good morning? Aha. Kandi rengu nyenda nokunda kunyo bushera.
Ushanye mgenda.
Kare nsabo bushero mu rujungu nyowe. Nyongure jaga.
Give me porridge.
Give me porridge. Nyendo bushero bwenshi ga.
Bwenshi ga.
Porridge. Otsabo mu rujungu. Ojoti mpo bushero bwenshi ga.
Give it and porridge in sogam.
Yes.
Wow.
That is yes. So mama nyowe niwe nonyo bushera.
Traditional.
Ogo.
Turabwe Erasmus.
Erasmus. Ni oruzungu no rumanya nkabeka.
Yes.
Ati numati wachoranga mbere. Nendo njere ngwitwa abantu bakabara bakiga. Twino mutima murungi omuruzungu.
Is the people of Kabale? Is the vibes of
omutima murungi.
Omutima
in English. Yes. Bakumpera usha. Iwo washabero ati nyenda niwe. Onda mchizo go mjengu. Itwa bakiga twina mani omuruzungu.
This is money power is
Bachiga.
Wow.
Baba herezo bushera.
Webale mwana wangu.
Alright. So mukashoshe cheka bachiga kukundanaga okubara kundana turanwira nawe. Dishaka nanye ekicokura n'ikikoko cyo bushera turi kunywaho agaromboro ko tabakiga kunda. So tiburo yanire niko tukige mu omukintu cyashemererwa kandi emphasizing tourism innovation skilling no kwitugiza mu ngo kintu no basa kuchikora kora benshi no ntara chikora umurimo abakiga kujya bushera shemeregwa nokwe kake songoro kitu tubanze tusongore makapera
yaba yakuremire yaman yaba yakuremire icyo muturekere nitumubasa yaba yakuremire umuturekere nitumubasa yaba yakuremire umuturekere nitumubasa yaba yakuremire umuturekere nitumubasa kugira ngo foto wayanga boya kugira ngo ororane baratenga disco yaba yakuremire itwe muturekere nitumubasa kugira ngo ororane habajane batinde wapya yaba yakuremire turekere nitumubasa
turamubasa
from Robbie Rabba. Introduce, tell them say.
This is your boy Robbie Rabba, top fed artist of all time.
Man.
Professional tours guy around Lake Bunyonyi.
Around Lake Bunyonyi. Hati turendo tugambira mu rukiga kuja twena tuchenge for the feeling proud.
Amasina ganje baranyeta ndakola hano ya kagaidi wa Bunyonyi kandi ndagaidinga ankaha yonyi na nahabundi bwoko buri nkaha mizi nakora actually special tours takushana like bird viewing, otter viewing, hiking, yeah. other activities.
Urukwenda nakwiyaye nakushanga.
Ngenda anyine namba ya WhatsApp nagira etine WhatsApp nagira email konka turasa kolese enamba etine WhatsApp ibaleta 0 postbat.
Jigaruke
0779182081 Osbat.
Ati Osbat warachere nyenda kumbuza akabuzo kama.
Aha.
Mzee kantu wakafuna?
Nakabona.
Nibaketa
Shemererwa.
Studio Shemererwa. So hati amazina gawe nibakweto.
Byaranga Robert.
Byaranga Robert. Ati iki kitweka yakituru muni baceta ki?
Nibo town council.
Town council. Embera y'umwanya ogu egeta abatuze muri muta nibigenda bita
abatuze bo kumwanya. Ati kuba kutega amatu amena bamwe. Twana shega tuma talking.
Yo, what is you talking? So no man uruzungu.
Abana bamwe batega amatu. Abandi gamba jwanye hingura ya hingu.
Mana naburo kugamba bitabo byo mbiburi. Ati ngambira yo emistare na ombiburi. Nanye ndendero ne kigambo cha ruhanga.
Emistare na nango
eshuri na kare.
Wala kutandikana ne kigambo kiragira cy'Abaheburayo 13 mushungu wo kubanza nagira ati ukunda nakugumeho.
Ukunda kugumeho ico ni kimwe.
Ukunda ndenda kuchongeraho. Rero ifa wa kabiri nagira ati mutalire gakunira abagenyi wabo bomwe bakunira bamureka batashe.
Aho henyine ati nyenda echiwagam ukunda nakugumeho mwego kunira.
Mere cyaka bitolenda waza mu bakulisi bo kubanza ishura ne 13 muchongo wano ku 13
yeshoma
nagira ati
shoma
esa wedding ngo alihe bigambo bishatu
ebiri gumaho
italiwaho mere cyo kubanza no kwishiriza ijaka no namasiko okugira amasiko ijaka tunokunda ungamjejo byono kunda kwa jiraji
kwa jirani echiwagamba chingambira muzungu
ikinagamba mujejo byone biri
umuriyeze shuri ibirigere yiwampo mu ruzungu
ati omuruzungu kuza kushiga mu muzungu ndarushuma bugaro antegereza kujiraji
okorusho barero atubyaro
kana basa kugezaho
jeza
love mene but it trust you
love mene
but it
trust few. Yes, it trust few. This is reke bunyonyi mbena. Reke bunyonyi mu ruzungu ni reke.
Ati reke bunyonyi
tene ruzungu
ni reke bunyonyi
bunyonyi enyonyi tete bad
kongareke bunyonyi niko cyane kigwe mu rushiga bangure gino mu ruzungu
cyaho we bari munonga ateje nishemerero rero ko bakobushera
yego she
kuno ni munyobushera
turanyobushera na za waraje
obushera ubwira abantu burunyi
munonga turakira kozesa obushera
rero no burire njiro nyire
cyo bushera nishirinye kumira
abwenje no burire njiro nyire
ati ubu ni bwo bujurizi bwa Yesu Kristo
amina
Yesu yabiri na yegesha
Yesu akaika hukuno
tuli nawe
Yesu no mukigari Yesu no mukigari
umusipanti no musipanti
ati wareta so umujungu wabandize kuija kuno yano
akaba umujungu wamanze kuja kuno nangwa tukoba tuko turahurira aza kahurira nabwo kijyo mwani kigwe mu bya Bibuli nkahurira
kanirimo
nkahurira kanirimo
muzungu akija bunyonyi
ngo niruga mu iguru nigira iti ngenu ati twaza mu bya history ko muzungu wamanze kuja mu Uganda akaba ari
Stanley hati reka nkubuza akabuzo kamwe iwo kuno mucange iki nokora muri muti
ati nyingo muhinje cyo kubanza
bagyo muhinje
ishaka cyo kubanza ndahinge ntura mpingo rutoki mpinge mu rugo
ahanyanje ineho muri mucaha amizi
no kwijanta abari kwambuka muteze no businge kwani
tukoma ogote murimo simba kagere Uma ai mama ai
Mzee jina mkabati. Mzee kola wote.
Ona.
Kuna tukugambire ingambire tushowire shahi nanyu mwazi yo
wawo ningo tukota video kumbuza content rotera kuweka mama
I'm coming back shortly. Ezi shoot says nkutera Sasha vibe zitaka zitisha.
Please explanation etali traditional. Banki bakizaji chimera transition. Chimera no kwangula kapia mfoni. Napia kapia mfoni. Kamba sabu kakoti kesi. Neba kamba lechi kesi. Decision ya msaji wa kufamu gechi kesi. Nina lakwa baza wakesha mwini. Sina wano. Kotoya kete mwana kisita mkuku behavior. I decided to be faithful to Olivia. Olivia dear. Olivia dear, kena kalabo kanokia. Uchukize kwa mkwaro kwa vogu kume. Wechiba chikani jangu mwambure ya tegame. Slimu tungobo, lave ome, wabana wafunye nume. Samba TV, kaseke nchapu. I'm not a boy anymore. Nakifuso msefya. Nade kuze mjize kuze obo. Wakela mkaro wa. Changa uwe mando. Nade kuze kuze. Hata aguma Noora lebanda kwano kwa chomu kama Mtuine ndamu handapa na ndiya mfuna Kanda mamazi marino kwa disha hamutima Hacho nata na yachisika Mama kazi wengambilo sana kwa shomile Hacho chikamana mutima Natani kwa na kushuka vyona vitu renda moho Ngambili mwakana shuma Esha yoku kukasema kamukaa best day Nasha inabasika zimeka ruchamu Iliaru kuno ya mpaku hemubira chiwawa Mulijahi Ulo Hata kuna kumanyana Hata inywa bato Twaza kweshongera makeshongero baraketa ndi Orushozi rwa tororo Tinyinega rutemba Ai 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 ya mama we Nokutere butano Itano ni tano Itano ni tano Itano ni tano ni kumi Kishozi wa taroro
Kabari right now Haza Nake shongoro kite Unde nda shongoro reye Anishi
Utwenda kuyakabari.
Inondebere. Kati jinguza kumwitwaza yonda mutwari. Agesho gurukadira ngwenzi.
Jean Pare Hombara.
Orebe bitakayibaga. Orebe bishanana. Uri kubyamo birote. Jarugo musakasi. Ebyo kusigaze bastore. Awuti bine narabu. Ninyenjine tibyo kweshoma.
Ustegetekwe.
Ijatu zomujimu.
After Jimu.
Zomuski. Alright, big up.
We love you, brother. Straight out at the leg, Bunyoni. Mateko Pandis one.
What's up?
Justice MC Waban.
You want to say it?
Serep.
Yaba yakuremire itugutu echere itumubasa. Yaba yakuremire itugutu echere itumubasa. Yaba yakuremire itugutu echere itumubasa. Yaba yakuremire itugutu echere itumubasa.
What you hold? Kila makashani. Kesho tuyawe na mshango mkati. Ina trail.
Yaba
Introduce your name. And
they call me Robbie Robert of That's of all time.
Yeah.
Yes, behind the song.
I always suggest this MC all the way from Rwanda.
Don't play the one.
Mark, your name. What are they there?
Yo,
what was the Kora remix?
My name is Mark Teko. Yeah, my name is Mark Teko.
CEO, Shemererwa Initiative, and of course, Lonnie, I respect you. Manager Jason, thank you so much. I want to repeat my name. I'm called Beazin ZJ Serego Wambara. I'm an influencer, I'm a media personnel, I'm already graduate, I did BBA, and I work with Vega Radio. I'm PRO, or spokesperson, Western Brokers Association. I'm a brand ambassador to different companies. I'm a brand influencer, Aquafina, from makers of Peps. I'm a brand ambassador, Africa's Real Estates, and many others. Unfortunately, some of the betters are not here, but I like the fact that they are judge and one of them, she's still here. They are listening wherever they are. I like this because we should, first of all, we should know that we should learn what we call paradigm shift. The world is going very fast. If we just delay in a month, no shangaba kusije. Abana bangaba bakozesaho account yibakweta X. It was called the Twitter. Wojiriho erizoba akahwizoba nyencha kare wagaruka no shanga bakusijire kare mnongo. So if we have things like these ones, and I personally, I was a debater from junior, baby class, up to university, up to date. Because I'm always in different panels, debating and giving different suggestions and issues. Little did I know they would be debating about social media. I would have been part of them. Then I show this government which allowed the social media to come. Then they are saying it's harmful. Yet you can come out and be like, social media etwejise michombe. Kumbe hariho mwana uri kuba ryacharo atakumana Facebook, atakumana IG, atakumana Facebook kandi ariyo mushumu. You get me? Kare hariho abana bato aba ba primary, you see them. Hariho kana kakwimuka kakaza kuringuriza nyina ariko nawe. It means he or she is going to watch porn. not on social media. Secondly, it is a society. Social media is a society like Ngoku Tugiahomo community. It is up to you to look at me and you be like, this guy drinks alcohol, let me drink it like him. Or you be like, no. Though I'm influential, but even come how do you follow me? You know, Kurati Nechindi, I would relate my fellow teens and your mom bantu aba CEOs over makers of Made in Mbara. It's a night there that promotes our Western Ugandan talents. I do it with the DJ Alberto. Hakane chindi echingundira shemererwa na yone promoting a talents. So if you are an artist, you are a DJ, you feel like becoming a DJ, a big MC, big DJ, big influencer, just try to gain connection to Made in Mbara, because we should accept Kabare makes Uganda Switzerland of Africa. But Mbara is the capital city of Western Uganda. We shouldn't forget that. So come to Made in Mbara or get connection to one of the people there. It helps you that you can go outside Western Uganda. Montaru Hoima Avaramanya, who was judging this debate, right? Who is PIMC? So come through Made in Mbara, we give you that push in connection with Shemererwa. Of course, they are our friends. You already know Alberto, and now you know me, so we can get connected. And guys, I want to let you know we are also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Kokuna wakujirangundi PRO or speaker or spokesperson or Western bloggers. By that association takes content creators, influencers, bloggers. If you do anything that can change the society, you can be part of us. Na nyenda kuhereza kakagambo ndikumarira Jason kujanti one okozesa social media, whether you're at campus, wherever you are, you can make money. For me, I went in Mbara after my senior 6. I'm gonna not be here. Ndiyo mwana wo muchiga byona biwire konka byo munyankore naturally. So after my senior 6 in Kuza campus, I started working with Nkore Media. It's an online channel. Nkore Media right now, it's cheaper a month. Online, digital, you'll be seeing dollars zikushoma $400. We know almost 2M plus. Our social media home. If you adding gigs, simanyi influence for me, market for me, it means you're earning a lot of money. You don't waste time posting memes. You post a meme, it is viewed by 200 viewers, but you earned there nothing. This Shemererwa Ombuze initiative yawe, I would feel like working with you. Can you give me data? He will. Muzahansa Monarisa, Gamberu Mugiga Webarumjo, I feel like pushing a night here. Post it on your status. Post it and open accounts, guys. Right now, there are no jobs. Our ministries, ni munywani wa president, ni mukawamana, whatever. But we can create jobs. I've been surviving on social media in Mbara, and I'm a born of Ntungam. I don't feel like I lack anything. I don't lack anything. Though I haven't reached where I would wish to be. This is Selector Amen last weekend to Katune Chigeze edition. He came through. He can testify. He knows how I treated him and my team. But guys, we can be stars. We can make money from these phones we are holding. CEO Chigeze magazine, I know you, you know me. Tell your team that we can make money. Abantu mu central barimuni bihasento mu government, because they are positioned, they had planned. We can also make it. Ndabakundira kimwe kandi urukunde gumeho orabasa kunkura terame timbagano. Yeah, my social handles hona ni Beazin. Wata mechigambo Serebu wambara hono ramfuna. Kandi I liked you guys. I will always be part of this. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, that is so moving, so emotional. We really feel that we have done something good. Yeah, so lunch is ready. Katu shabe hajire a volunteer uwisha shabire ranchi nimanya eshonga za omustomach tizanguhi lero tutakajira lunch ba members twaza kushabira lunch lero twimuke turanyegera tutakashiro wa lunch tubanza twemerera aha tutere chwani twena ba members abaryaha lero tugumizemo online turagiraki turihura wamara kwihura uri free kugira yuwa kuronde yuwa shutama lero kuturashutame turi kurya okubayine cyarenda kugamba ninga obuhabuzi naro kusima na chairman wito takagenzire ni nyendo yakuri abagenya
which is trying to develop the communities around Lake Munyonyi using we benchmark the SDGs, that is the Sustainable Development Goals, and we get some strategies on how we can develop the people we stay with in Kavumu HHSA.
Yeah, and of course the manager of the Gambugini still director to move the move extreme right as we go to the left to the generation.
Nonga, Mazina, Roni, Nkare, founder and CEO wa Shemeregwa Initiative. Zoba nonga gushanga nyine inshinji zona zaha za Kigezi, social media influencers abakwatiriye Kigezi bona twakubina. We are really privileged and we are grateful. Never kuja kwasa kuyamba abantu bitabu tubitura nabo community ya Bunyonyi. Shemeregwa Initiative mwaka twatuto mu building activities yaho ninene binde bituje kugeraho ya tucagurizamo turakugarukira mu time mu introduction.
Thank you very much. My name is Asasa Robert artist of all time, all seasons. Yeah, I've been there.
Yes, all right. Thank you so much for watching us, and I'm very happy to be in Kabale, to be in Kigezi. Yobaranyeta Beazin, ZJ Rebu Wambara. I'm spokesperson Western Bloggers Association, and I'm brand ambassador to many companies, talk of Africa's real estates. I'm one of brand influencers and recruitment experts, and I'm happy to be part of the Shemeregwa team. I'm one of the team that organizes Made in Barra, Edmanda Sandba, and more. I'm a radio presenter. I work with Vega Radio, a lot of things. We shall discuss a lot. Abara tureba turabakondera kimwe nyonjo munyankore kungana ndabakiri.
Ayo, this is Justice MC Mazina Agaba Eric Justice kandi MC kuruga straight away from Rwanda kandi nashimira kubanyimwe inzoba ahashemererwa festival kandi mwebari munonga abategigaga festival turabakunda munonga.
Yes, I am. Young people, Kasabuto 15 shiri kuchigaruko. Abijo baramanyaka Kasabuto gwenataro kugamba gye kwishoko twashimirwa. Twashimirwa kwisha TV ya moka kugira ngo nikatira ya tumushinga munenshi kabakaza no kubanga twashikaza no
kandi yomwe ari ba blogger na ba influencer ba kigezi what we call kiba glad to be here amazina yanjye mashemererwa muronga kuba ndi na shemeride festival kuba ababona n'abana bitu n'abana baboneka n'aha music yitu n'aha mishozi yitu so I'm very happy being here and this is very good.
Thank you so much. Kutoka makasete n'aba ayuba fashion tunaanza kuwekwa tena mashamba opposite Kabale Central Police Station au Mange chanzo nonga.
Yeah, and of course, aba fashion barabashanga opposite police wori kugaruka Kampala bari kuvuga kujweke jiborebeke ko kuchemererwa and of course nari ko kubana
nyonde kurekera ndegaruka yo kure ruguru ndai kurekera aho ndegaruka kuri nyeruguru
bwa Africa bekwate kubashanga mutima
Destin speaking
kugira orambure
kuruga kuno sazinga
n'abakora safari and of course entertainment discussion kandi turano nenkwata mataza kigeze as far as industry is concerned inemu ba DJs ba bloggers ba MCs bona ko bajyana of course with my big guy baharo twinego orugire China recently kuzana pool and then atuye that experience original experience ya China tire buru wasinga Uganda bona warwaza waza China so manzo twakuro mu China mini oro tuganda experience ka mu China
Mo, Richard. Mr. Zafo.
Yo.
Muy brief.